So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to remove an end-to-end encryption in Messenger or just simply turn it off. So as of 2025, you cannot manually turn off end-to-end encryption or the E2E in an existing encrypted messenger. But however, you can still chat without encryption by starting a new unencrypted thread. So the first option is start a non-encrypted chat by opening your messenger and go to the unencrypted conversation. So it looks like this. It is usually has their lock icon next to their name, which is it is an end-to-end encrypted conversation. So for you to able to start an unencrypted conversation, just start a regular chat. And for you to able to do that, just go to this page and make sure to tap the pencil icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, select the person or search for the person that you wanted to have a conversation on, and it will automatically start a non-encrypted chat. So if this option doesn't show, try starting a new message manually by tapping this. So you can't disable encryption within an already encrypted thread. So basically, this one is an encrypted, so you cannot start a new unencrypted or non-encrypted chats right here because this is already an end-to-end encrypted conversation. You just have to create a new message on another person or just simply delete your conversation with this person. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.